today we are going to begin with the lesson number 8 of your class 7 English grammar, that is adjectives and kinds of adjectives. So let's begin with this lesson. An adjective is a word used to add something to the meaning of a noun or pronoun. Adjective क्या होता है? Word होते हैं जो किस लिए यूज होता है? ऐड करने के लिए, मेरा मीनिंग ऐड करने के लिए, क्या तो नाउन में या फिर pronoun में. So read the sentences given below here. Some examples of the adjectives. Like they live in a beautiful house, beautiful house मतलब बहुत सुंदर घर में रहते हैं. कैसे घर में रहते हैं? सुंदर घर में, beautiful घर में. So few people survived the air crash. Few people, कितने people? Few. ये मतलब क्या बताता है? हमें noun और pronoun के बारे में बताता है, विशेषताएं बताता है. So there are 12 months in a year. कितने months है? 12 months है year में. I have not much work to do. So Puneet told his dog. Puneet sold his dog. The word beautiful 12 few much his in the above sentences add to the meaning of the noun house, months, people, work and dog respectively. कुछ ऐड कर रहे हैं हमारे nouns में या फिर pronouns में. So they are adjective. ये क्या है? हमारे adjective है, meaning ऐड कर देते हैं ना हमारे nouns में. Each adjective is followed by a noun. It qualifies. किससे follow होता है? जो noun से जो वो qualify करता है. Now let's talk about kinds of adjectives. There are 10 kinds of adjectives. Like first one, it's adjective of quality. Second, it's adjective of quantity. Third is adjective of number or numeral adjectives or demonstrative adjective. Fifth is distributive adjective, a kind of numeral adjective. Sixth is interrogative adjective. Seventh is possessive adjective. Eighth is proper adjective. Ninth is emphatic adjective, and the 10th is relative adjectives. Now let's talk about adjectives of quality. Such adjectives which tell us what kind of person or thing is called are adjectives of quality. जो adjectives हमें क्या बताते हैं? किस kind का कोई person है या कोई चीज है, तो उनको क्या कहते हैं? Adjectives of quality कह देते हैं. Like as they describe a person or thing, they are called descriptive adjective. जो क्या describe करते हैं? Person को या किसी चीज को, तो उनको क्या कहते हैं? Descriptive adjectives भी कह देते हैं. Like read the sentences given below. The girl has a pink frock. कैसा frock है? कैसा quality है frock की? So pink है. My mother has poor eyesight. कैसी है? कैसी quality है eyesight की? Poor है. Mr. Sharma is an excellent teacher. कैसे teacher? Excellent teacher है. The child has curly hair. Child के hairs कैसे? Curly है. So this is the adjectives of quality. The adjective pink, poor, curly, excellent and great tell us what kind person or thing is, कि किस kind का person और एक thing है. Such adjectives are called adjectives of quality. इन adjectives को क्या कहते हैं? Adjectives of quality कहते हैं. Adjective of quality answers the question of what kind. ये क्या आंसर करते हैं कि किस तरीके की है. So adjective of quantity. Such adjective which tell us how much of thing is intended is called adjective of quantity. कि कितनी कोई चीज intend हुई है तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? Adjectives of quantity कहते हैं. Like there is a little milk in the jug. Quantity आ गया little. He spent all his wealth. सारी wealth उसने spend कर दी. All आ गया तो quantity है. He has much money to spend. She has enough money to buy toys. He has some rice. So the adjective little, all, much, enough, some tell us much of thing is intended. Such adjectives are called adjectives of quantity. In adjectives को क्या कहते हैं? Adjectives of quantity कह देते हैं. Like adjectives of quantity answer the question how much. क्या आंसर करते हैं question की? कितना. So now let's talk about adjectives of number or numeral adjectives. Such adjectives which tell us how many. Such adjectives which tell us how many person or thing are named or what way or order person or thing stands are called adjectives of number. कि कोई चीज number में कितनी है, person है या फिर thing है. So like he is 60 years old. He is 60 years of age. कितनी age है? 60. number आ गया यहाँ पे. This is first edition of the. कौन सा edition है? First edition है. तो first क्या हो गया आपका? Adjective of number हो गया. Here are 10 books for you. So the adjective 60 first 10 several few and most tell us how many people things there are or what or in what order and any of them stands. Such adjectives are called adjectives of number or numeral adjectives. इनको क्या कहते हैं? या तो adjective of number कहते हैं या numeral adjectives कहते हैं. Now adjectives of number answer the question how many or in what way or order. So demonstrative adjectives क्या होते हैं? The adjective this, that, these, those, same and points out which person or thing mean. Such adjectives are called demonstrative adjectives कि हम जिसको demonstrate करते हैं that, this, that, these, those. तो ये क्या हो गए हमारे demonstrative adjectives हो गए. Read the sentences given below. This girl is very honest. This girl. So this क्या हो गया आपका demonstrative adjective हो गया. That boy topped the exam. That जो चीज हमसे दूर है तो that boy topped the exam. These bags are for sale. Those are in the same class. So those girls will take part in the competition. So this and that are used in singular noun. This और that क्या है singular में है. और these, those क्या है आपके plural nouns हो गए. Now demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. Words this, that, these, those can be used as demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronouns. Yes, इनको हम demonstrative adjectives की तरह भी use कर सकते हैं, demonstrative pronouns की तरह भी use कर सकते हैं. Read the following sentences carefully. This pen is mine. This qualifies the noun pen. This is plural. So this is an adjective. This is my pen. This stands for noun pen. Therefore, it is a pronoun. वो क्या है? Pronoun है. और these gloves are woolen. क्या है? These gloves demonstrate कर रहा है ये वाले gloves तो ये क्या demonstrative adjective है. These are woolen gloves तो ये क्या demonstrative pronouns है. So we should remember that an adjective is usually placed just before the noun. हमें हमेशा याद रखना adjective कहाँ placed होता है? बिल्कुल noun से पहले placed होता है. और pronouns में वहाँ पे कोई noun ही नहीं है, वो पहले तो जब place होगा. So distributive adjectives क्या होते हैं? A kind of numeral adjectives. Distributive adjectives show that person or thing from a group are taken one at a time. कि person और group एक बार में एक लिया जाए उस group में से. Like each man has his own opinion. हर man का एक अपना opinion है. There are big trees on either side of the road. We drink juice every day. Neither book was very interesting. So the adjective each, every, either, neither refer to person or thing taken separately. किस तरह करते हैं? जो person or thing separately ले ली गई है. Like these words are called distributive adjective when they are used with nouns. इनको हम distributive adjectives कहते हैं जब वो nouns के साथ use होती है. Now distributive adjectives and distributive pronouns. We know the following things about distributive adjectives. Each, either, neither are distributive pronouns. Each, either, neither क्या है? Distributive pronouns है, as well as distributive adjectives भी हैं. But every is only an adjective. Every क्या है? खाली adjective होता है, इसलिए distributive pronouns क्या है आपके? Each, either, neither. Read the sentences carefully. There are 4 boys and I have 4 chocolates, so I can give a chocolate to each. तो ये क्या हो गया आपका? Pronoun हो गया. There are 4 boys and I have 4 chocolates, so I can give chocolates to each boy. Noun से पहले आ रहा है तो ये क्या आता है? Adjective हो गया यहाँ पे. So both jackets are too small, so I can wear either. Pronoun है. There was a table on either side of the door. Either side of the door. Doors मतलब noun से पहले आ गया adjective है. I have 2 caps, but neither fits me properly. Pronoun है. Neither boy, again adjective आपका noun आ गया यहाँ पे. तो ये क्या हो गया? Noun से पहले अगर आपका adjective आता है तो वो क्या होता है आपका? कोई word आता है तो वो क्या होता है आपका? Adjective होता है. And neither boy can swim. This is adjective. I have read every book in the bag. Book आ गया फिर noun आ गया, उससे पहले word है तो that is every है तो this is adjective. Now but we cannot say I have read every book in the cupboard. Every is only an adjective. Every क्या है? क्योंकि adjective है. And must be followed by a noun or pronoun. किससे follow होना चाहिए? Noun या फिर pronoun से follow होना चाहिए. In sentence 2, 4, 6, 2, 4 and 6. Each, either and neither are adjectives because they are followed by a noun boy. ये adjectives है क्योंकि किससे follow हो रहे हैं? Noun boy से follow हो रहे हैं. And side and boy respectively. So when every is used, attention is given to whole group. जब every use होता है तो attention किसको दी जाती है? पूरे group को दी जाती है. Every student, every child. So when each is used, attention is given to every individual in a group. Each होता है तो every individual in a group को दी जाती है attention. For example, take the book off that shelf and dust everyone. Emphasis on the group. हर group को dust करना है आपको. Take each book and read it carefully. Emphasis on the individual book. So we use every to talk about a large indefinite number of person or thing. Large indefinite number के लिए use करते हैं every, person or thing के लिए we use each to talk about a group. Each हम use करते हैं talk करने के लिए किसके बारे में, group के लिए, and has a definite and small number. So definite और small number होता है. For example, we want every child to take part in games. हमें हर एक child से जो part ले किसमें, games में. Every child, all the children. हो गए. Hari gave me 4 apples. Each apple is red. A definite and a small number. We use either and neither when we talk about two person or two things. Either and neither हम कब use करते हैं जब हम two person या things के बारे में बात करते हैं. Either means one and or other of two. Neither means not this one and not that one. For example, neither boy can swim, not one and not the other of two. इनमें से कोई boy swim नहीं कर सकता. He can write with either hand. कोई से भी हाथ से वो लिख सकता है, either right or either left. So one or the other of. So distributive adjectives are followed by singular countable nouns and take singular verbs. Distributive adjective किससे follow होता है? Singular countable nouns से follow होता है और क्या लेते हैं? Singular verbs होती है उनमें, like each apple is red. Every member was present. Either sets gives a clear view of the stage. Neither statement is true. So in the above sentence, apple member seat and statement are singular. ये क्या है आपका apple member seat और statement क्या हो गया आपका singular हो गए, countable nouns हो गए, and is was as gives are singular verbs. और क्या देते हैं? Singular verbs देते हैं आपको. Now interrogative adjectives क्या होते हैं? जिनमें कोई question put up होता है, like the words what, which, whose and when used with nouns, जो किसके साथ use होते हैं? Nouns के साथ use होते हैं, is asking question are called interrogative adjective. Like information क्या होगी आपकी? Noun होगी. What information have you about it? Question mark. So this is interrogative adjective. Book हो गया आपका, noun हो गया. Which book do you want? So this is interrogative adjective. Whose shirt is he wearing? So whose shirt is noun. तो shirt noun से पहले आपके adjective आता है. That is adjective. So this is interrogative adjective. In the above sentence, which, whose, what are adjectives. They are called interrogative adjectives because they are used with noun. From interrogative adjectives क्यों कहते हैं? क्योंकि nouns के साथ use होते हैं, like information, book, shirt, to ask question. Whose is used for asking question about person. Person के लिए हम whose use कर सकते हैं और person और thing के लिए हम which use कर सकते हैं और खाली things के लिए हम what use करते हैं. Interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronouns. Words like what, which can be used as interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronouns. Yes, इनके साथ भी use कर सकते हैं और हम इनके साथ भी use कर सकते हैं. Which train is late? Train noun है, train से पहले आपका आ रहा है word which आ रहा है, तो this is interrogative adjective. Which is the mail train? यहाँ पे कोई आपका noun से पहले adjective नहीं आ रहा, noun से पहले word नहीं आ रहा, so this is pronoun, interrogative pronoun. What plan did you follow? Plan आ गया, noun आ गया, so this is interrogative adjective. What is your plan? Time late आया है, मतलब end में आ रहा है, noun से आपके word से पहले, what के बाद नहीं आ रहा adjective. So this is interrogative pronoun. Possessive adjectives क्या होते हैं? जो ownership दिखाते हैं, possession दिखाते हैं. Adjectives which have to show ownership or possession are called possessive adjectives. Read the sentence given below. My bike needs repair. My bike. So possession दिखा रहा है. This plant is losing its leaves. यहाँ भी possession आ रहा है. That is your book. This is her pen. So in the above sentence, the words my, its, yours and hers show ownership. ये क्या show कर रहे हैं? Ownership दिखाते हैं. और possession. They qualify the nouns like bike, leaves, book and pen. So therefore they are called possessive adjectives. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Possessive adjectives कहते हैं. Possessive adjectives answer the question whose. ये क्या answer करता है? Question की whose, which we use possessive adjective before a noun. किससे पहले use करते हैं? Noun से पहले use करते हैं to say that noun belongs to. So who the noun belongs to, like possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns क्या है? Read the following questions, following examples carefully. This is not my pen. Mine is new. So in the first sentence my is used as possessive adjective. हम possessive adjective की तरह हमने my use कर लिया है. और second में क्या कर दिया, mine stands for my pen, so it is used as a pronoun. So my क्या हो गया आपका adjective हो गया और mine क्या हो गया आपका pronoun हो गया. The words my, your, his, her, hers, they are called possessive adjectives. इनको क्या कहते हैं, possessive adjectives कहते हैं. Now proper adjectives क्या होते हैं? Proper adjectives are proper nouns used as adjective forms of proper nouns. Like read the examples given below. Here are some examples of the proper adjectives. He is an Indian, proper noun आ रहा है. He went to visit Japan. और यहाँ पे आपका सोल्जर और फूड क्या हुए, नाउन आ गए. तो उससे पहले आपका यूज हो रहा है एडजेक्टिव. सो दिस इज वर्ड आ गया इंडियन और फ्रेंच आ गया. दिस इज आपका प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव एंड प्रॉपर. ही इज एन इंडियन सोल्जर, दिस इज प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव. ही एंजॉयड द फ्रेंच फूड, दिस इज ऑल्सो प्रॉपर एडजेक्टिव क्योंकि वो नाउन से पहले आ रहा है. Now empathetic adjective which are used to emphasize our opinion. जो किस लिए यूज होता है, emphasize करने के लिए हमारे opinion को about something is called empathetic adjectives. For example, read the given sentences. The real owner of this farm is somebody else. Real owner इस farm को कोई और है. Emphasize कर रहे हैं ना. I have a very bad cold. So words like real, very, complete, true, perfect, own, total and absolute, ये क्या है आपके empathetic adjectives है. Because we use them to emphasize. हम इसे कैसे यूज करते हैं, emphasize करने के लिए हमारे ओपिनियन को किसी चीज के लिए. Now relative adjectives क्या होते हैं? The words what, which and whose are classified as relative adjectives. Words हो गए, which, what हो गया, which हो गया, whose हो गया, इनको हम कैसे classify करते हैं, relative adjectives की तरह. When they are used with nouns to relate clauses. किसके साथ यूज होता है, nouns के साथ यूज होता है relate करने के लिए clauses को. Now read the sentence given below. I know the boy whose father is a policeman. मुझे वो boy पता है जिसके father क्या थे, policeman है. In the above sentence the word whose is relative adjective. जो above sentence में जो word है आपका whose वो क्या है, relative adjective है. Because it is followed by the noun father. किससे follow हो रहा है, जो आपका noun है father उससे follow हो रहा है. And moreover it relates to clauses. दो clauses से relate करता है. Like I know the boy and his father is a policeman. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Thank you and have a great day.